Ricoma is an international company. The headquarters is located in the USA, Miami. Yeah, the manufacturer is in China. The European branch is located in Frankfurt, Germany. Now we have around 160 distributors. Yeah, service providing comprehensive service and solution to the respective clients. Yeah, and now we last year we launched the new printer machine. Yeah, and now the feedback is very positive. Yeah, in the market, the print head is very strong. The machine is installed by two Epson 3200 print head. Yeah, and the machine is we in the America, the end user they care about the space, so we develop the user-friendly machine. The size we customize according to our clients' feedback. Yeah, we do a lot of efforts to change the appearance, to change the size, and you can see the speed can be there are three options. There are three options about the speed. It depends on the client's demand. There are 4 pass, 6 pass, 8 pass. If you care about the quality, you can select 8 pass. If you care about the production, you can select 4 pass. Yes. So the function is strong. According to we can adjust according to your demand. Before we launch the DTF machine, we do the marketing survey and we collect a lot of feedback from our existing distributors. Many distributors they come to us and they ask for a solution. Can you provide some print machine? After it, our headquarters make the decision to developer, to do research, to develop the new print machine. Last year we launched 2 models, and this year we are going to launch other 3 models, which are desktop, which are Rigo. So we have a R&D department. So no matter what demand you have, we can do some customize. We have our R&D department, so we can achieve. He's very good, very excellent. I have to say, Mr. Samo is very dedicated to his business. He is a very service guy and a friendly guy. I like him very much, and he has a technician. He has a professional technician and an excellent sales team. And in across Paragon territory, he has a complete sales network. Yeah, can help us to spread Ricoma machines across the whole Paragon area. I have to say, the normal competition is very good for us to improve. If there isn't a competition, Ricoma cannot come to here. Yeah, we have an excellent distributor. We have our R&D department. So we are ready to face the competition. The competition can help us to improve. Thank you.